Swami speaking, first reaction coming out from the Supreme Court. Let's listen to it.
The national loss, which I proved. In fact, the Supreme Court itself had upheld my petition dismissing the cancelling the license.
What court now says?
Now the court is talking about some conspiracy. There is not a whiff in my petition where I have argued the conspiracy angle.
So you mean to say court went beyond it?
I think this is a very bad judgment. I will get the judgment copy and seek a review. And because when I was arguing in the middle, I was stopped and said, okay. Then I said, but I have not cited the judgments. They said, you give us in written. I gave it in writing. So therefore, this judgment, in my opinion, is based on something I did not argue.
So it means Chidambaram is completely clear. There is no legal.
No. There is still the Aircel Maxis matter, which is to be.
डॉक्टर स्वामी, लेकिन अगर आज के जजमेंट को माने तो इसका ये मतलब है कि अब आगे से जो 2G के मामले चल रहे हैं उसमें चिदम्बरम आरोपी नहीं बनाए जाएंगे?
नहीं, वो तो अभी मैं रिव्यू मांगूंगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो जजमेंट जो पढ़ा है, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ बाकी में कहाँ है, जिसमें पढ़ा है वो कहते हैं कि षड्यंत्र का मैंने कोई सबूत नहीं दिया। मैंने कहाँ आर्ग्यू किया षड्यंत्र? मैंने कहा राष्ट्र का नुकसान हुआ और उस नुकसान सिद्ध हो गया, क्योंकि इस सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लाइसेंसिंग को कैंसिल कर दी थी। तो सेक्शन 13(1)(d) पार्ट 3 में ये षड्यंत्र, ये आपराधिक मंशा, ये सारी बातें है ही नहीं।
So you mean to say the judgment which is not based on your argument?
It is not based on my prayer or on my arguments.
But they say that whatever the material you produce, that doesn't.
That is on a
criminal intent.
There is a criminal intent. I never produced any material because I don't need it. There is a High Court judgment, division which says that as far as section 13(1)(d) part 3 is concerned, you don't have to prove criminal intent. You only have to show national law.
Can we go into the law?
I will file a review petition after reading the order.